All right, y'all, so we're here on the job site making our delivery. In Seattle, Washington. Boy, are they doing a lot of construction in Seattle. I don't know what this is, if they're building a house or what, but I drove 2,100 miles with this load. The straps are still tight. I haven't adjusted them one bit. That's how you get it done. That's exactly how you get it done, baby. Seattle, Washington. Here in Seattle, Washington, about to get unloaded. And I already got my next load. They just sent me the Raycon. So let's check this out, guys. Picking up in Washington, Kent, Washington. Headed to Wyoming for $3,700. While I do, oh, I got a coil, 43,000. Okay. Ooh. Must tarp and shipping. 3 coils. Okay. Now this is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be an interesting load, guys. I don't know if it's skidded coils or what. I don't know if they want it eye to the sky, suicide, or shotgun style. But I'll teach y'all something, man. I'm gonna teach y'all something. This is gonna be an interesting load. So look, this is what I like to do, right? I'm always 2 or 3 steps ahead of the game. I'm never not doing anything. I'm always either thinking or working or both. So now see, I got my next load going from Washington to Wyoming, paying $3,700, right? What I like to do is, while I'm sitting in the truck or they're unloading me or whatever the case may be, I'll go on my truck GPS and I'll go on my truck GPS and input the city and state that I'm picking up from, and then I'll input the city and state that I'm delivering to, and then I'll see how many miles they are apart from one another, you know? Check this out. Yep, see? That's the same exact facility name that was on the paperwork. I saved that to want to go, right? I go back and do the same thing again here. Watch this. Copy. Go here. Paste. Search. Crown Cork and Seal Company. Crown Cork and Seal, yep. So y'all see both addresses added up. I'll save it to want to go, and then I'll do this: directions from $936 miles, paying $3,700. So 9 times 4 is 36. So I'm right around $4 a mile this load's gonna pay. So I already know that once I get my load, I gotta drive 936 loaded miles, right? But let's go back a step. let's go to the place that I'm picking up from, CMI Logistics in Kent. Do directions from my location. I'm only 26 miles away from my pickup. So 936 plus 26. 936 plus 26 equals 962 miles. 962. 962. This load's paying $3.84 a mile. Some free game for y'all. So they're gonna unload me, but they said I need to be on this side of the street. So I'm gonna make my wife back up. You know? You gotta put him in tough situations, man, and make him a beast. You feel me?
Here?
Lights on, hazard lights on, adjust the steering wheel, adjust your mirrors. You already know this. You have no reason to pay attention to nothing in front of you. I'm not gonna misguide you. Watch your mirrors. That's the reason. I can stand up here and guide you, but I want you to watch your mirror. That's why I'm going back here. This is your sight side. That's your blind side. What side you think you need to be paying attention to the most? Because you got a lot of space over here. You only got this much room for error on that side. So look, 80, 20, 80% watching that mirror, back and forth, back and forth. If you need to adjust the steering wheel, do so, but you don't really need to. You feel me? Don't touch that steering wheel. Put your hand right here at 12 o'clock and don't move it. Let's see if she pay attention, y'all, if she listening to me. I told her not to touch the steering wheel. She ain't even looking in the mirror yet. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't touch that steering wheel. Come on. Just trust me and come on. I ain't gonna guide you wrong. Come on. Come on. Slow down a little bit. Ease up. Ease up, Tina. Ease up. Ease up. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Ain't no need to stop. I got you. I done got you this far here. Come on. Come on. I ain't gonna misguide you. Come on. Come on, come on. Don't touch that steering wheel. Come on, come on. Now your trailer getting away from you a little bit to your left, Tina. Turn the wheel slightly to the left. Your trailer getting away from you. Get up under it. Come on. Stop. Your trailer was getting away from you. So I told you to get up under it. Not a lot. You put way too much left in it. So look. Do me a favor, pre-steer. Put the truck in drive. Pre-steer. Why are you going that way? Why would you turn? I told you to put the truck in drive. Why would you put it to the right? You want to run it to their living room? Huh? Is it all the way hard left? No, take your foot off the brake, like fan the brake like I showed you. Now hold on, wait, keep your foot on the brake until it's hard left. Let them go. Just keep your foot on the brake. Let them go. Go ahead. You're not just watching in front of you, you're watching your mirrors too. 80, 20. We get unloaded right here along this curb. Do what makes sense. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Do what makes sense. Hold up. What I told you about this mirror on the hood? Huh? Make this, hold up. Make this mirror right the inside of the curb. Come on. Hey, stop. Turn your wheel straight, and just let the trailer. It's called the trailer for a reason. It's gonna trail what the truck is doing. Keep the wheel straight. Don't turn it no more. Let the trailer follow the truck. Come on. Turn, man. What you doing? Now straighten up. Come on, watch your trailer. Keep riding the curve. Keep riding the curve. The trailer gonna fall in place. You gotta watch all around the truck, bro. In front of you, both mirrors, both sides of the trailer. Keep the wheel straight, Tina.